Welcome back to Ray's Arithmetic, and today is lesson number 35, which is going to be a review lesson. Remember I told you we were going to do a couple of review lessons in 35, 36, and 37, and that's what we're going to do today. A whole bunch of subtraction. So you ready to get started on that? Good, because we got some problems to work out. Okay, the first one we're going to do here on our board is 4 less 2. How many are 4 less 2? Well, let's put that up here. 4 less 2 are, that should be 2, right? Yeah, of course. That's an easy one. Let's do something a little harder. How about, how many are 10 less 4? If we have 10 less 4, that's how many? 10 less 4 are 6, right? How about 10 less 6? 10 less 6 are 4. How about 6 less 3? 6 less 3 are how many? I think that's 3, isn't it? Yeah. Okay, how about 7 less 5? How many are 7 less 5? 7 less 5 are, how many do you think? 2, you're right. 7 less 5 are 2. Let's try 9 less 3. So we have 9 less 3 leaves how many? That would be what? 6? Right again, 6. Okay, let's do 11 less 4. Up here at the top, 11 less 4 leaves how many? I think that leaves 7, don't you? Yeah, that's right. Okay, let's do, how about 12 less 4? 12 less 4 leaves 8. That leaves 8. Let's do 13 less 6. 13 less 6 leaves how many? That's 7, I believe, yeah. 13 less 6 leaves 7. How about 18 less 10? 18 less 10 leaves how many? That should leave 8, and it does. How about 19 less 9? 19 less 9 leaves with how many? Leaves us with 10. How about 15 less 9? 15 less 9 leaves how many? That's 6. Alright, let's go to the next board. Let's try, how about 16 less 10? 16 less 10 is going to be what? I think that's going to be 6. Don't you? Yeah, okay. How about 13 less 3? 13 less 3 leaves 10. Alright. How about 14 less 7? 14 less 7 leaves 7 again. 7 and 7 make 14. How about 11 less 8? 11 less 8 leaves, I think that's 3, don't you? Yep, that's 3. How about 7 less 4? 7 less 4 leaves, that's also 3. Right. How about 11 less 6? 11 less 6 leaves how many? I think that's 5, don't you? Yeah, because 6 and 5 make 11. Let's do 12 less 3 up here at the top. 12 less 3 leaves, does that leave 9? By golly, that sure does. Okay, how about 16 less 7? 16 less 7 leaves, you know, I think that also leaves 9. Yeah, it does, because 7 and 9 make 16. Let's see, what shall we do next? How about 15 less 10? 15 less 10 leaves how many? That leaves a big 5. All right. How about 17 less 8? 17 less 8. 17 less 8, that leaves 9. Very good. How about 17 less 10? 17 less 10, that makes how many? 17 less 10 would be, you're right, 7. Okay. How about 11 less 9? 11 less 9 are how many? Yeah, that's 2. Okay, let's do a few more. How about 9 less 5? Let's do that one. How many are 9 less 5? 9 less 5 are, you're right, that's 4. How about 8 less 3? 8 less 3 leaves how many? That's 5, isn't it? That's right. Let's try, how about 7 less 2? 7 less 2 would be how many? You know, that's 5 as well. All right. Let's see, how about 8 less 6? 8 less 6, that's how many? That's 2. How about 10 less 7? How many are 10 less 7? 10 less 7 are 3. Okay. How about 11 less 5? 11 less 5 leaves, how many would that be? I believe that's 6. Yeah, because 5 and 6 make 11. How about 12 less 9? How many are 12 less 9? Let's do that up here. 12 less 9 are 3. How about 13 less 10? 13 less 10 leaves how many? 3, big 3. How about 12 less 10? How many would that be? 12, ooh, my 2's going astray. 12 less 10, that's how many? I believe that's 2, and it is. Let's try 14 less 9. 14 less 9, how many is that? Think about that. I think that's 5. What do you think? Yep, my sloppy little 5. Yep, 9 and 5 make 14. How about, what shall we do next? How about 13 less 7? 13 less 7 is how many? Well, that's 6. How about 15 less 8? 15 less 8, how many is that? That would be 7. Okay, let's do just a few more. Let's see. How about 17 less 9? 17 less 9 leaves what? You're right, 6. How about 13 less 4? 13 less 4 leaves, that leaves 9. Let's see, what shall we do? How about 16 less 8? Let's do that one. 16 less 8 leaves how many? That leaves 8. Because 8 and 8 make 16. Okay. Well, that gets us a little bit more than halfway through our lesson 35. So let's go ahead and stop there. And we'll pick it up right where we left off and finish up the rest of the lesson next time. Okay, we'll see you then.